there, I'm Sarah with WTI. My lovely little doggo knocked over my wood pile, which I had very nicely stacked. There was a mole or a snake or something in it. She destroyed the whole thing to get at it. So I thought, well, this is a wonderful opportunity for me to get something fancy and pretty to stack my wood in, and man, did I find it. I love this wood stacker. It's so pretty. It just adds a little bit of elegance. I love how strong it is. I really put it through the ringer to see if it would stand up, and it did. It was pretty easy to put together. It came with some easy to follow instructions and all the tools that you need to put it together. So that was fantastic. I put it together all by myself in a matter of moments. It really wasn't hard at all to follow the instructions. Sometimes when I have to put things together, I find myself wanting to quit or waiting till my husband gets home to help me, and I didn't feel that at all this time. I was happy to do it all by myself. So when I was done, you can see what it looks like here. It's beautiful, it's sturdy, and I really just piled this wood on from my wood pile, and it withstood everything that I put on it. I even put some really big pieces on it just to see how sturdy it was, and it held up just fine. It does come with a few extra pieces that you can add to it for extra security, but I didn't think that was necessary in my case. So if you're looking for something useful and beautiful to add to your campfire, then you have found it. And that's my point of view.